Today, we're diving into the magical world of Photoshop with a comprehensive tutorial on the Magic On tools. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, stick around because we have got some tips and tricks that will take your photo editing game to the next level. Okay, so before we jump in, let's quickly introduce the Magic On tools. The Magic On tools and quick selection tools, these tools are incredibly useful for making selections based on color and tones. Okay, let's start with the Magic On tools, and it's a great for selections area with some similar colors. Simply click on the color in your image and your Photoshop will select continuously a pixel with the similar color. Okay, now onto the we are using this one, and you can find it into the left side on your screen and in the toolbars by clicking over here. Now you can see it gives you the Magic On tools, and this will give you as the magic, and you can just easily select, or you can use the shortcut keyword W for use the Magic On tool. So this means select similar color images of the area. Okay, so for this tutorial I want to use this image for the Magic On tool. So let's click, and before that I want to select the white color range into the mobile. So just click over here. Now you can see is automatically giving you here the selections according to, because here the similar colors in there. Okay, now if I just delete it, now I say the foreground deletes or foreground colors, hit on the OK. Here we have the foreground colors. Now if I change the different colors, like if I say this will be these colors, or I can use this will be the white colors, then hit on the OK, and here I can again do it the white colors in there. Let me select this one, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it delete again the foreground colors, or you can see is the white colors, and if I make it as here with the different color, then hit on the OK, and I can use this one as this colors, then hit on the delete it, and here we got it the different colors. So this way you can select a similar color, like whatever you want to take out, or you want to select it. Like if I want to select this color by selecting this one, now you can see is try to select the similar colors as we use the Magic On tool in Photoshop. So, and there you have it, a crash course on mastering the Magic On tools in Photoshop. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.